want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob?
Oh my god.
And everything you know fashion. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance.
Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get this super easy and beginner friendly V-Part wig to look like it is growing out of your head. I'm going to be showing you how to put it in, how to do the braids underneath your head, everything. So without further ado, let's get into this V-Part wig.
Okay, babes, so first things first, let me take off this bonnet. We cannot do the hairstyle without taking off the bonnet. Now let's get into these braids.
Now, a little disclaimer, my braids do look a little old, but that's because I've been having this wig in all weekend for my graduation. But the braids are still intact and perfect for just this video. When it comes to prepping your hair, you want to make sure that you wash and condition your hair. I also let it dry before I braided it down or even put the wig on, because a wig and wet hair, that just doesn't, no. Make sure that my hair was rather flat underneath the wig, being that this is a straight wig and not like a curly one where you can kind of get away with bumps and things of that nature. I did go ahead and blow dry my hair just because my hair is really thick, but if your hair is a little bit on the thinner side, you can kind of skip that and just make sure that you are braiding it and allowing it to completely dry before putting on the V-Part wig. Now, as far as the braids, I did 4 braids on each side. I parted it down the middle.
And as you can see, the parting does not need to be perfect. You really just need to make sure that you're getting your braids as flat as you can get them.
Now, with the braids, to make sure that it lays really flat underneath your wig, you're gonna want a crochet hook. Originally, when I did this, I used bobby pins, and bobby pins work perfectly, but if you really want something that's going to be more of a long-term fix, I'd say this method really works. So with the braids, you're going to feed them in and out of the other braids to really make sure that they're snug and underneath the braids.
I'm just gonna walk you through exactly what I mean for all my visual learners. So I'm just gonna take the crochet needle and then connect a piece of the end of a braid and then simply pull it through another braid. This will help to create a more flat look underneath your V-Part wig if it is gonna be straight. And for all my girlfriends worried about the takedown process, you simply just need to tug on the braid and it should come out of the braid that you looped it through.
Now with parts that are sticking out like this, you can just crochet them through another braid again. Like if I just wanted to grab the top of this one, and then we could just crochet it through. It's not that big of a deal, but for my girlies that are like, it is a big deal, you can do that. It's whatever.
And once you're done with all of that, the back of your head should look something like this.
So now that our hair is completely prepped, we can grab the wig. This is the wig that I got it from Julia Hair, and it is a super beginner friendly V-Part wig. It comes in a really nice kit, and they give you some goodies such as a wig band, a hair cap, as well as falsies and a little brush for your edges. Now this is the actual wig. Now like I said, I've worn this a few times this week, but it's a bounce curl wig, and I kind of curled it, kind of not. Today we are going to straighten it.
Okay babes, this is just a close-up look into the inside of the wig cap. I really like how flat the clips are and overall how thin the netting is, because it blends really well with your hair.
Now, the reason why I really like this wig is because unlike other V-Part wigs that you may get on Amazon, the cap on this one is perfect. It is not too big, which has been an issue that I've had with other wigs purchased on Amazon. The wig cap is way too big, and I'm not about to sew a wig cap that I just paid $100 for. So this is definitely, you get what you pay for, and it is perfect.
Now, as far as the installation process, it's super easy and quick. What I like to do is simply place the wig on the back of my head and then start with the clips in the front. I start with the clips that are farther away from my face and then work my way up. And then once I have those secure, I will tug on the back to secure the clip in the back and then work on the clips on the side. Now, there is a lot of different ways to get a V-Part wig on your head, but babes, all it really matters is that it's on your head.
It is super easy. The wig is now on. I'm going to brush it out a little bit, and you can still see that it has some of the wave pattern on this wig. Like, this is such a pretty wig. I didn't have to dye it or cut it or anything like that because it matched my hair to a T. Now, with the part that we are leaving out, this is just, you just need like a little bit. Y'all don't need a lot. Maybe thinking like, oh, babes, like the more that I leave out, the more natural it's gonna look. Wrong. Okay, we can see where your hair stopped and where that wig start. All right, realistically, for this kind of wig, you just need a little bit of leave out, which is perfect for, like I said, my natural hair girlies that not trying to damage their whole head.
Now with our leave out, you're going to make sure that you prepped it really nice, which means shampoo, conditioning, and applying some heat protectant if you want to save your curls. I do like to section off the back of my hair, and then I'll be going in with this 2-in-1 styler from Heritage. I really like this one because it allows you to straighten and curl your hair at the same time. And because I'm going to be showing you guys how the wig looks curly and then straight, I just thought that this was the perfect flat iron to be using. While straightening my hair, I do like to section off different pieces and work in smaller sections, as this method really helps to maintain that straight and flat look that you may be looking for. Now, if you are somebody that is not going to be straightening this wig and you do want to have that body wave look, for your leave out, make sure that you curl it, and this will give a more natural look to the style.
The body wave eats. Like, this is so beautiful. I feel like a mermaid. And I'm not somebody who normally likes curl or anything like that. Just kind of curl the front part of your hair outwards. And
now for all my curl friends that actually want to straighten this wig, the method is rather simple. You simply just straighten the wig like you would straighten your hair. I started from the back of the wig and then worked my way up. Also working in small sections so that you don't have to continuously go over the wig with your flat iron.
look how good this hair moves. Oh my gosh.
Now babes, if you're anything like me and you're a little extra, you may want to add some layers to this look. Layers helps to give it that 90s really fresh look that I really like.
This is the final look. Guys, I am obsessed with this wig. I'm a V-Part wig girly till I die. No hate to the lace front wiggies, but something about a V-Part, it's just gonna eat every single time. It's super easy, super quick. But you guys let me know in the comments if you like the straight hair or the curly hair better on me. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to my page, because babes, we have more hair content, more beauty content, more vlog content to come this summer. If you're interested in any of the tools or the wig that I used in today's video, everything will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you curl friends next time.
You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B.